Hi, my name is Shahina Dawood, and I'm an oncologist coming to you all the way from the United Arab Emirates.
Hi, I'm Suchin Lee, a medical oncologist from Singapore.
Rebecca Dent, I'm a medical oncologist at the National Cancer Center in Singapore.
So this year we had the 14th year of the Asia Pacific Breast Cancer Summit in the very beautiful Penang, Malaysia city. It's been successful. 700 people registered from every specialty, including patients that have come to this particular conference. It has become the main place to be if you want to learn how to treat breast cancer in your clinic on Monday.
How many countries, Shahina?
28 countries, Rebecca.
Wow. Well,
Next year, it's going to take place in Singapore, 15th year anniversary, and it's going to be a bang.
And the APBCS has grown so much over the last 15 years. It's no longer just a forum for education, but also a forum for people to showcase their research. So this year we received over 100 abstracts, and we have over 60 posters being displayed here from a whole variety of countries, not only from the region, but even outside Asia. So this is a great opportunity for people to come here and forge new collaborations.
Would you say that this is the place to showcase your research from the region?
Absolutely, and also to form new collaborations across the Asia-Pacific region.
so with that, I think it's really important to highlight that treating breast cancer, doing research in breast cancer, really takes a team, not just a local team, a regional team, but a global team. And I think what's been amazing to watch this year is all the different specialties come together. We had lectures this year on economics, on nutrition, on activity, on exercise. And so we talked about research, we talked about some of the new pharmacological interventions, we talked about radiation, surgery, but putting them all together. So anybody out there who wants to come to our meeting, it's really important that we recognize that we need our pathologists, we need all of our allied health professionals, we need our surgeons, our radiations, our medical oncologists, our pharmacists, our nurses, and the patients and their families. And so all of those people will be represented at the 15th meeting of the Asia Pacific Breast Cancer Conference in Singapore. In Singapore.
Next year.
So stay tuned. We welcome you next year in January to come to Singapore for the 15th Asia Pac Breast Cancer Summit.